Refresh your worn carpets with MOTIP Carpet Spray, so everything looks fresh again. Before you start spraying the paint, make sure the fabric is clean and dry. Shake the aerosol for 2 minutes and spray a sample. Apply the paint in several thin layers and brush after each layer while it is still wet. This ensures that all the fibres are covered and don't stick together. Wait 5 minutes between layers and repeat until the desired coverage is achieved. MOTIP Carpet Spray is suitable for textile and rubber mats. Nothing you can't fix.